बघा याच्यामध्ये प्रिपरेशन ऑफ आरिल हॅलाइड जाते इलेक्ट्रोफाइल and nucleophile. Last year we have studied this electrophile and the nucleophile. Electrophiles means it is the positive charged electron species, positive charged or electron deficient species containing electron deficient center and attracted toward the electron rich center is called as a electrophile. And another one is the nucleophile, that is the negative charged species or the neutral molecule containing electron rich species, containing the electron rich species which can be attracted toward the electron deficient species is called as a nucleophile. That is electrophile and nucleophile can be studied in details in last year. Now you can study the electrophilic substitution reaction. In that electrophilic substitution is nothing, one atom can be replaced by the another atom. If electrophile, that means one electrophile can be replaced by the another electrophile. One electrophile can be replaced by the another electrophile is called as the electrophilic substitution reaction, is called as a electrophilic substitution reaction. Now in that reaction the hydrogen atom from this aromatic nucleus can be replaced by the chlorine or bromine, in the presence of the Lewis acid, then to form the aryl halides, okay. Suppose we can take the example, this is a benzene. When this benzene can be reacted with the chlorine in the presence of the anhydrous, AlCl3, this is the Lewis acid. We can take this benzene, that benzene can be reacted with the chlorine, that benzene can be reacted with chlorine in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3. The hydrogen atom from this carbon atom can be replaced by the Cl. Hydrogen atom from this carbon atom can be replaced by the Cl and then to form the chlorobenzene plus HCl to form the chlorobenzene. This is the chlorobenzene and this is the benzene. Okay, when this hydrogen atom from this benzene nucleus can be replaced by the chlorine, this one electrophile can be replaced by the another electrophile and then to form the chlorobenzene, Suppose also we can take the another one more example. We have take them this example, toluene. Okay, when this toluene can be reacted with the chlorine, this is a toluene or also called as methyl benzene. Okay, this toluene and then toluene can be reacted with the chlorine in the presence of the film in dark condition. Then again hydrogen atom from this artho position as well as the hydrogen atom from the para position, that is to form the two products. One is the hydrogen atom can be replaced from here and then artho position. Therefore, it is called as arthochlorotoluene. Plus another one more product. Okay, CH3 toluene and then hydrogen atom from the para position also replaced and to form the parachlorotoluene. This is the parachlorotoluene. Okay, then this toluene methyl benzene reacted with the chlorine in presence of the iron in dark condition, then to form the orthochlorotoluene and this parachlorotoluene. Orthochlorotoluene and the parachlorotoluene. Understand this? Also, we can take formation of the bromine or this. We can take this toluene again. CH3 can be reacted with Br2. Can be reacted. Now here we can balance this reaction. Here twice Cl reacted with Br2. Two molecules of the toluene reacted with Br2 in presence of iron in dark condition. In the dark condition, then to form same orthobromotoluene and parabromotoluene to form the orthobromotoluene, that is hydrogen atom from the ortho position can be replaced. Again another one is a parabromotoluene. This is a parabromotoluene plus 2HBr This is the orthobromotoluene. and this one is the para-bromotoluene. Understand this? Say again, this toluene, this is the toluene reacted with bromine in presence of iron in dark condition, then to form the orthobromotoluene, and this is the para-bromotoluene. Orthobromotoluene and the para-bromotoluene. That these ortho and para isomers can be separated easily due to the large difference in their melting points. This ortho and para isomers, this ortho and the para isomers can be separated due to the large difference into their melting points. Understand this? This orthoisomer as well as this para-isomer can be separated from each other due to the presence of the due to the having high melting point between the ortho and para-isomer. Therefore, it can be easily separated from each other. This is the one more method. Also, we can prepare the iodides. Also, we can prepare the iodobenzene also. But iodobenzene can be direct iodination of the iodobenzene cannot be takes place. Here we can directly can take the chlorine. Also we can take the bromine directly, but iodine cannot be directly reacted with this aromatic compound because of the byproduct. The HI will be the form, and that HI are the strong reducing agent, and the reversible reaction can be takes place. Reversible reaction can be takes place, and to avoid this reversible reaction, we can use the oxidizing agents. We can use the oxidizing agent. Therefore, direct iodination cannot be takes place. Direct iodination of this alkene cannot be, that is iodobenzene cannot be prepared by this method. Okay, this is one more method for the preparation of the aromatic halides, that is the aryl halides. Okay, and another one more method is the Sandmeier's reaction. See, second method. Sandmeier's reaction. In that Sandmeier's reaction, to prepare the aryl halides, actually this reaction is detailed we have studied in the topic amines. Okay, in the textbook also can be given one statement. This reaction can be studied in details in the topic amine. Okay, this Sandmeier's reaction is now, what is the Sandmeier's reaction? Sandmeier's reaction means the diazonium group. What is the diazonium group? N2 plus X minus. This is called as a diazonium group. N2 plus X minus, this diazonium group, and this diazonium group can be replaced by the chlorine or the bromine. Okay, this diazonium group can be replaced by the chlorine or bromine. That reaction is called as a Sandmeier's reaction. See again, this Sandmeier's reaction is nothing but when this diazonium salt, from the diazonium salt, the diazonium group, from the diazonium salt, the diazonium group can be replaced by the chlorine or the bromine, can be replaced by the chlorine or the bromine, and then to form what form? Chlorides or the bromides. Chlorides or the bromides. That reaction is called as a Sandmeier's reaction. That reaction is called as a Sandmeier's reaction. Then diazonium salt can be for only the aromatic amines. Diazonium salt can be formed only in the aromatic amines, that is aromatic primary amines. How firstly we can study the how the diazonium salt will be the form, and then we can study the how the diazonium group can be replaced by the chlorine or the bromine. Diazonium group can be replaced by the chlorine or the bromine. See, yes. Firstly, we can take the primary amine, aniline, aromatic primary amine, NH2. This is the aniline, NH2. When that aniline can be reacted with the sodium chloride and sodium nitrite and the HCl. Sodium nitrite and the HCl. Sodium nitrite means NaNO2. NaNO2. NaNO2 plus twice HCl. Twice HCl. In cold condition. In the cold condition, that is at 0 degrees Celsius, at the 0 degrees Celsius, then this hydrogen, this oxygen and this hydrogen H2 is replaced, this Na and then this Cl can be replaced, then to form the diazonium salt. To form the diazonium salt, this N and this nitrogen N2 plus and one Cl from here, Cl minus. This is called as a diazonium salt. This is the diazonium salt. Okay. Then this Na and then this Cl, that is to remove the NaCl. NaCl, again what remains? 2H2. This is called as a benzene diazonium chloride. काय नाव आहे याचं? Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride, N2 plus Cl minus. This is called as a diazonium group. This group is called as a diazonium group. See again, when this aniline reacted with sodium nitrate and HCl, instead of that one is this sodium nitrite. Actually, this sodium nitrite can be reacted with HCl and then to form the nitrite, HNO2. To form the HNO2 plus NaCl, and that HNO2 nitrous acid can be reacted with this one. But this is unstable, therefore we have to take this one. NaNO2 plus HCl and then to for the benzene diazonium salt. This is the formation of the diazonium salt. This aniline aniline reacted with NaNO2 plus HCl, that is sodium nitrite nitrous acid. This is also called as nitrous acid in cold condition. This is most important in the cold condition, and then to form the N2 plus Cl minus, this aromatic nucleus as it is N2 plus and the Cl minus, and this is called as benzene diazonium chloride. This is called as a benzene diazonium chloride plus NaCl and plus twice H2. आलं लक्षात आहे? हे झालं formation of the diazonium salt. Now we have studied the Sandmesh reaction. We have studied the Sandmesh reaction. In that Sandmesh reaction, this diazonium group can be replaced. This diazonium group can be replaced by the chlorine or the bromine. That is to form the chlorides or the bromides. Then that reaction is called as a Sandmesh reaction. Then that reaction is called as a Sandmesh reaction. Okay, see. When this diazonium group compound benzene diazonium chloride, when this benzene diazonium chloride N2 plus Cl minus reacted with the cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide, reacted with cuprous chloride or the cuprous bromide. Okay, when this sand can be reacted with cuprous chloride or the cuprous bromide, this is, we can take a cuprous chloride, then this diazonium group can be replaced by the Cl plus N2 gas. Again to form the Cu2Cl2 as well. That is to form the chlorides. To form the chloride. This reaction is called as a Sandmesh reaction. Say again, diazonium group can be replaced by the Cl. Diazonium group can be replaced by the Cl or the Br is called as Sandmesh reaction. That is, when this diazonium compound, then diazonium compound can be reacted with cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide. Diazonium compound can be reacted with cuprous chloride or the cuprous bromide. Then to form the chloride, that is aryl chlorides or aryl bromides, that reaction is known as a Sandmesh reaction. That reaction is called as a Sandmesh reaction. This is N2 plus Cl minus, this group replaced by the Cl. This group N2 plus Cl minus, that group can be replaced by the Cl, that is to form the chlorobenzene. To form the chlorobenzene. Okay, and this is the diazonium, benzene diazonium chloride. Similarly, this benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride, when this benzene diazonium chloride reacted with cuprous bromide, then to form. Again, this diazonium group can be replaced by the Br plus N2 gas. This is called as a Sandmesh reaction. This is a bromobenzene. This formation is the bromobenzene. Understand this? परत एकदा बघा, सॅन्डमेश रिएक्शन आहे तो सॅन्डमेश रिएक्शन आपण परत एकदा सांगतो मी. काय सांगितले डेफिनेशन सांगत असताना, diazonium compound, the diazonium group can be replaced by the Cl when it can be reacted with cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide. That reaction is known as a Sandmesh reaction. ह्या सॅन्डमेश रिएक्शन मध्ये आपण पहिल्यांदा बघितला फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द बेन्झीन डायझोनियम क्लोराइड, दॅट इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द डायझोनियम साल्ट जो आहे, ह्या डायझोनियम साल्टचं फॉर्मेशन जे आहे ते फॉर्मेशन आपण याच्यामध्ये बघितलं. हे फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डायझोनियम साल्ट कसं तयार होतो, एनिलीन घेतला एरोमॅटिक अमाइन. हे फक्त डायझोनियम साल्ट कॅन बी फॉर ओनली फॉर द एरोमॅटिक अमाइन्स, नॉट फॉर द एलिफॅटिक अमाइन्स. दिस इज aniline reacted with sodium nitrite plus HCl, reacted with sodium nitrite plus HCl, okay, in the cold condition. Then this NH2 group can be formed the N2 plus Cl minus plus NaCl plus H2. N2 plus Cl minus plus NaCl plus H2O. हे झालं formation of the diazonium salt. हा N2 plus Cl minus is called as a diazonium group. याला म्हणतो आपण, हा डायझोनियम ग्रुप जो आहे तो डायझोनियम ग्रुप आहे. मग हा डायझोनियम ग्रुप काय करतो आपण, क्लोरीन किंवा ब्रोमीन रिप्लेस आहे तो रिप्लेस करतो बाय युजिंग द क्युप्रस क्लोराइड और द क्युप्रस ब्रोमाइड. काय क्युप्रस क्लोराइड किंवा क्युप्रस ब्रोमाइड याच्यामध्ये आपण यूज केला आणि क्युप्रस क्लोराइड किंवा क्युप्रस ब्रोमाइड वापरून काय केलं आपण, क्लोरोबेन्झीन और द ब्रोमोबेन्झीनचं फॉर्मेशन केलं. हा डायझोनियम ग्रुप can be reacted with Cu2Cl2. Diazonium group can be reacted with Cu2Cl2, then to form the chlorobenzene. Or N2 plus Cl minus can be the benzene diazonium chloride also reacted with the Cu2Br2 cuprous bromide. Then this reaction to form this diazonium group can be replaced by the Br to form the bromobenzene. This is the Sandmesh reaction. This is the Sandmesh reaction. One more point for our information, फक्त आपल्या माहितीसाठी ठेवा, हा बोर्ड एक्झाम साठी नाहीये, सीईटी किंवा याच्यामध्ये एनसीईआरटी जाते, एनसीईआरटी मध्ये इन्व्हॉल्व असणारा पॉइंट आहे. हा डायझोनियम ग्रुप जो आहे तो डायझोनियम कंपाऊंड आहे, हा N2 plus Cl minus आहे. N2 plus Cl minus जो आहे तो N2 plus Cl minus आहे. हा N2 plus Cl minus जो आहे तो N2 plus Cl minus आपण काय करायचं, थोडंसं याच्यामध्ये क्युप्रस क्लोराइड जो आहे, ह्या क्युप्रस क्लोराइडच्या ऐवजी इंस्टेड ऑफ वी कॅन टेक द कॉपर पावडर प्लस HCl. Instead of the cuprous chloride, we have take the copper powder plus HCl, and also then diazonium group can be replaced by the chlorine. इथं डायझोनियम ग्रुप जो आहे तो डायझोनियम ग्रुप हा क्लोरीनचा आहे, तो क्लोरीनच रिप्लेस आहे, तो रिप्लेस होईल प्लस N2 गॅस जो आहे, हा N2 गॅस आहे तो N2 गॅस फॉर्म जो आहे तो फॉर्म होतो याच्यामध्ये. बट this reaction is called as a Gutterman reaction. This reaction is known as a Gutterman reaction. Okay, we can change catalyst reactant. Instead of the copper cuprous chloride or cuprous bromide, we have take the copper powder plus HCl or copper powder plus HBr. Okay, cuprous chloride किंवा cuprous bromide च्या ऐवजी आपण काय घेतलं, याच्यामध्ये कॉपर पावडर प्लस HCl आहे, तर कॉपर पावडर प्लस HCl घेतला, हे घेतलं, किंवा कॉपर पावडर प्लस HBr आहे, तो HBr जर घेतलं याच्यामध्ये, तर रिएक्शन जे आहे ते रिएक्शन सेमच आहे. दिस डायझोनियम ग्रुप कॅन बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय द Cl. Diazonium group can be replaced by the Cl. Change the reactant. Therefore, this reaction is called as a Gutterman reaction. ही जी रिएक्शन आहे, ह्या रिॲक्शनला म्हणायचं आहे गटरमन रिॲक्शन. काय म्हणायचं त्याला? गटरमन रिॲक्शन. अंडरस्टँड दिस? दिस इज द गटरमन रिॲक्शन. लक्षात राहील का बघा? सँडमेअर्स रिॲक्शन फक्त आपल्या सिलेबसला आहे, गटरमन रिॲक्शन सिलेबस मध्ये नाहीये, हे लक्षात ठेवा. क्लिअर झालं का? दिस इज फॉर द ओनली फॉर आवर नॉलेज और फॉर सॉल्विंग द MCQs. दिस इज द सँडमेअर्स रिॲक्शन. दोन रिॲक्शन्स आपण बघितल्या प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अरिल हॅलाइडच्या. एक बघितले आपण इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिॲक्शन आणि दुसरी बघितली आपण सँडमेअर्स रिॲक्शन. हे दोन रिॲक्शन तुम्हाला समज